There's something about having a beautiful skin. Once you have a beautiful skin, everyone thinks that you have money. Let them think I have money because in this 2024, I cannot look like my problem. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Elo, and I would love you to join my channel, and also please like this video for me if you're watching this video right now. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to layer your body skincare products correctly, how to choose the right skincare products for your skin type, and mistakes that you have to avoid that's preventing you from glowing. So you might think that you know how to layer your skincare products. Is it not just for me to wash, moisturize, and protect? Yes, that is the basic skincare routine. But there will be some things that you're meeting in your skincare routine that is preventing you from glowing. And that's what I'll be touching. Trust me, every skincare step I've mentioned in today's video is very, very important. So the first one is to cleanse your skin. What does cleansing do? It helps you to get rid of dead skin cell, dead sweat, oil that has clogged on your pores that is preventing you from glowing and preventing your skincare products from penetrating. That's why you might be using that brightening, lightening, whatever skincare products you're using, and you feel like, no, this product is bouncing back. I'm not even seeing any radiant thing. Now, how come Trauma or Daniela is using this exact skincare product and she's glowing? Is it that my skin is different or my skin is not accepting? No, sis. It could be that there's something that you're doing wrong in your skincare routine. Okay, let's say, for example, in your pre-cleansing, instead of making use of hydrating body soap that will help to get rid of dead skin cell, dead sweat, or you're making use of brightening soap, what you have to do first is for you to make use of gentle cleansing soap. Gentle cleansing soap that moisturizes your skin is not the one that will strip your skin of its natural oil. So you cleanse your skin with this gentle soap. The one I'll be recommending in today's video is Olay Moisturizing Soap and Dove Moisturizing. So this is two soap I've used and I can recommend for you guys in today's video. Yes, that will get the job done for you. So that's what you have to include in your first step. The next step is to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is very important because it helps your skin to get rid of dead skin cell that has clogged pores that is preventing your body lotion or your treatment products from working. So that is what exfoliation is all about. When it comes to exfoliation, there are different kinds of exfoliants. One, we have the body polish, and then we have the body scrub. So body polish, what are the people that have to use body polish? Body polish is for people that have dry skin. Someone like me, I battle with dry skin. So I'm going to use body polish. How do you differentiate body polish from body scrub? Body polish are those type of scrub that is formulated with oil, and body scrub are the ones that are formulated with cream base. Body scrub is very good for someone with oily skin, normal to combination. Why? Of course, polish is good for someone with dry skin. So when it comes to exfoliating your skin, if you have a soft skin, you can exfoliate once in 10 days. That is 3 times in a month. But if you have a normal skin, you should be able to exfoliate your skin once in a week. And if you have a very hard skin, I can recommend 2 times in a week. When you get into the bathroom, how do you exfoliate your skin? Most people exfoliate their skin, but they don't get the benefit of exfoliating their skin. One, you have to make use of lukewarm water. If you are not making use of lukewarm water, trust me, sis, you are not getting it right. That is the number one mistake you are making. So you exfoliate with lukewarm water, and while exfoliating, be gentle. You don't have to be harsh. While you scrub, you have to gently scrub. Another mistake people make while using body scrub is that they're very quick to wash off the product. No. When you scrub your skin, at least allow your skin like 3 to 5 minutes for the product to properly absorb into your skin. You still gently be scrubbing your skin so as to gently remove the dead skin cell on your skin. Then you wash it off with your lukewarm water. Next is to deep cleanse your skin. Body wash is also very important. Why I like body wash, especially for someone like me that has battled for long with dry skin, body wash is highly moisturizing on the skin. And one good thing about body wash is that it comes in different varieties. When it comes to body wash, you can get a body wash that is brightening, you can see a body wash that is exfoliating, you can see a body wash that smells heavenly, depending on your goal. If your goal is for your skin to brighten up, then you use your brightening body wash. If your goal is for, oh, I have more of dead skin cell, I'm noticing early signs of aging, you're going to go for exfoliating body wash. Then you have a very dry skin, your skin is always dry, looking tired, not looking radiant, young and beautiful. You're going to go for hydrating. If you want something that will make you to smell nice and, you know, nice, like someone wants to eat you up, then you will go for a body scrub that is very that has a very nice fragrance in it. So that is it about the body wash. So you wash off your skin with the body wash, and next you dry your skin. The next one is your body serum. Yes, body serum is very, very important. It's infused with active that will help to penetrate into your skin and start reducing your imperfection like hyperpigmentation, dull skin, dehydrated skin, and early signs of aging. So if you're getting your body serum, just know that you're battling with skin issues. But if you're getting a body serum, you don't have any skin issue, your skin is perfect, like what is it for? Body serum is not compulsory. Like someone like me, it's not in my skincare routine. I feel like my skin is perfect, my skin is glowing, my skin is beautiful. So someone like me, yes, I will omit it. But if you're someone that wants to brighten up your skin, or you have dark skin, moreover, let me tell you this: if you're buying a body serum, you can't just buy a body serum because, oh, you saw this thing online, they said, oh, it's good. You have to have something in mind before buying body serum. If it's brightening you want, just know that um you're going to go for body serum that will brighten your skin. Then if it's hydration you want, you're going to go for body serum that will help with hydration. And if it's early signs of aging that you want something that has anti-aging benefits, trust me, you're going to go for some let me say, like one that will stimulate collagen on your skin. But if your skin is perfect, trust me, you can omit this step. Then one thing that is very important for some people that have actually bought this body serum, and no matter how expensive or affordable the ones they bought are, you're not seeing results. There are a few mistakes that you might be making. One, it could be that you're using your body serum on a wet skin. That is when you're getting it wrong. When you're using products that are infused with active like lactic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide, I best advise you use on a dry skin. So before you use this product, make sure you use your clean towel, wipe your skin, and you apply. Then again, I encourage people, don't use your body serum during the daytime. It is best used at nighttime. Anytime you're treating your skin of or even skin tone hyperpigmentation, or any of your treatment products should be as your nighttime routine and not for daytime routine. So now we understand how to use body serum, and it's best used at nighttime and also on a dry skin. The next is your body lotion. Like I said, when it comes to body lotion, if you want to make this video, you have to have two body lotion. So if you're not making use of body serum, you can make use of the Amlatin moisturizing body lotion. But if you're making use of body serum, please omit it. You have to look for something more gentle. Then you're going to go for, let me say, Medis 5.5 vitamin C if you want a brightening effect. Then if you want something, let me say, something that will help to stimulate collagen on your skin, you're going to go for anything that contains retinoid, tretinoid, and hyaluronic acid. Yes, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3. These are the ingredients to look out for. But if you're looking for brightening, the ingredients you have to look out for is vitamin C, alpha-betaine, and licorice extract. Then if you're looking at hydrating, you're going to look out for products that has like ceramide, hyaluronic acid, and the rest. That is for your treatment. And I encourage people, if you're making use of treatment lotion, please make use of your treatment lotion at night. Do not use it during the daytime because it will make your skin very sensitive to sun. And you see, even with your sunscreen, it's not going to protect your skin, and you'll be going back and forth, and you will not see the results that you have. When it comes to treatment lotion, I advise people to make use of your treatment lotion every day. That's why it's called treatment lotion. It is only when you have to pamper your skin. Let's talk about the hydrating body lotion, which should be used during the daytime. One of my favorites, and yes, is SVC lotion. I started using this lotion recently. It has different range. We have the vitamin E, the olive oil, and the aloe vera. I'm stuck with the aloe vera, and trust me, I've tried this three range of this lotion I mentioned, and I always use it as my daytime routine. It's very moisturizing and to keep my skin glowing all day. Another lotion I love so much is the Nivea Radiant Even Glow lotion. I like to make use of this lotion during the day. I mean, it contains SPF, and trust me, I don't use any product that contains SPF in my night routine. This product I mentioned can be used every day, and yeah, you see a beautiful glowing skin. So how do you use your lotion? When choosing lotion, you have to think about your skin consign and your skin type. Like I said, your skin consign and your skin type. If you're someone that has dry skin, just make sure that any product you're choosing, make sure it's very, very hydrating on the skin. It's very, very hydrating. You can't be making use of lotion that will dry you out. You already have a dry skin, and you're buying a lotion that will still make your skin dry. As in, sis, what are you trying to achieve? What are you going to achieve if you make use of a lotion that will still dry up the little moisture that your skin is struggling to get? So that's what you have to think of anytime you're choosing a body lotion. Next one is oil versus body butter. Body butter is for someone with dry skin. We have different body butters, like your shea butter, your cocoa butter, your mango butter. Yes, this is actually very good for someone with dry skin, someone like me. Yes, but even as much as you have dry skin, your skin can also work for oil that are very thick. Let's take, for example, the almighty Vaseline body oil gel, and another one is this Zaspa body oil gel that is also very, very good and moisturizing on the skin. Then if you have normal to combination to oily skin, trust me, even as much as you have oily skin, you have to incorporate oil in your skincare routine. Why buying body oil or body butter? There are a lot of ingredients you have to look out for. Even as much as you're using body oil, like your grapeseed, your rose hip, yeah, cocoa butter. I think I've said that. Coconut oil, coconut butter. These butters can actually blend your skin, like blend on even skin tone, and at the same time soften your skin. Let me tell you, sis, if you have dry skin and you're omitting butter, body butter or body gel that are very, very thick, trust me, you might use lotion and you still will not get that exact, you will not get that result you're looking for. Lotion, let's be sincere, even as much as the lotion is moisturizing and you don't seal it up with moisture, your skin will still be losing that moisture. So sis, please, as you're using your hydrating body lotion for someone with dry skin, remember to incorporate your body butter to your skincare routine. And these ingredients that I mentioned in today's video will help to blend your skin. If you're omitting body oil, trust me, your skin will not blend well. It will not give you that iridescent, flawless, glowing skin. There are different ways you can actually use your body oil, but the way I'm telling you to use this body oil that will help to blend your skin is after using your body lotion. Sis, now people are asking, is it better I use my body oil during the daytime or during the nighttime? Body oil can actually interfere with your sunscreen. Oh yes, that is right. Body oil actually penetrates more at night. Yes, your body oil penetrates better at night when you rub it, and it's better for my body oil to wrap all over my bed sheet than I need to wrap over my work clothes or my outing clothes. But if I'm not going anywhere, like today being Monday, I'm not going to work, I'll prefer to apply my body oil during the daytime, and I'll also reapply during the nighttime. So yes, then the last step is your sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important and is the king of your skincare. There's something I learned and I'll be sharing with you people. So for someone within the budget, and I says it's good to wear protective clothing. Like, I know how expensive sunscreen is, and I know how the weather is fucking hot. Like people that live in Africa, we know how hot the weather is. I'm talking from experience. Me that is in Nigeria, the weather is fuckingly hot. And says I would prefer to wear protective clothing than to apply sunscreen, because once I apply the sunscreen, like the way heat will be dripping all over my skin. So guys, wear protective clothing. So even if you don't have money to buy sunscreen, buy for your face and wear protective clothing. Cover your self. Use your scarf. Wrap your neck and cover yourself from the sun, because trust me, sis, if you do all this step and you don't protect your skin, trust me, you'll be going back and forth and your result is not going to last long. If you have watched this video to this very moment and you're not subscribed, I'm begging, please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and also click on the super thanks and donate something for me so I can keep showing up every day. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.